Let's have a look at this question, testing on geometrical progression, which we normally refer as the GP. Given the geometrical sequence 4, 12, 36, you are told now to find the fourth term, the fifth term, and the sixth term. So the number given are 4, 12, 36, as we continue 30. So this becomes our first term, the second term, and the third term. Just a recap, we have to remember that we all have the first term of the GP as A, the second term as AR, the third term as AR squared, and the fourth term as AR cubed. See, this being our first, the second, the third, the fourth. I want you to see this, that here we don't have a R. That means it is R raised to 0. And any number raised to 0 is what? 1. That means 1 multiplied by A gives us A. When you have AR second, that means it is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give us what? AR. The other one, you have AR raised to 2. That means it's a 3, so you're having 3 here. That is 3 minus 1 to give us 3. For us to AR, which is our fourth term, that means it is now 4 minus 1 to give us 3. So if a question asks maybe the fifth term, for example, our question is asking, we are going to take what? It is AR, then N minus 1, where N is that term. That means if we're having AR, when we ask the sixth term, it will be AR raised to 6 minus 1 to give us AR raised to 5. This is our sixth term. If you ask the seventh term is AR raised to 7 minus 1. Remember, it is N minus 1. So the number will be asked, then minus 1. This will give us AR raised to 6. Now, let's now carry out our question now. Our first, the second, and the third. What we need to find is first the R. The R which we refer as the common ratio. And R is given by AR divided through by A, which is equals to AR squared divided through by AR, which is equal now also to R. So I'm going to take my second, which is 12. I divide through my first, which is equals to 4, which will give me what? By 4, 1, by 4, 3. If I take my third divided through by my second, which is 36, over 12, it will also give me 3. So R is equals to 3. Now to find the first one, which is the fourth term, which is equals to A, and then R raised to 4 minus 1, which is AR raised to 3. Our A is equal to our first term here, which is equals to 4. Our R, we are finding it here, which is equals to 3. So we have all it takes now to carry out now our question. So we are going to have A, which is 3R. 4, we multiply by our 3 raised to what? 3. So 3 times 3 times 3, so this is equals to 4 times 3 times 3 times 3, which will give us what? 27 times 4, which is 108. That is now the fourth term. Let's have a look at the fifth term. The fifth term is given as what? The fifth is A raised to R n minus 1, which is equals to A raised to R. Our n is 5. So 5 minus 1 is equals to AR raised to 4. Our A is equals to here 4. Our R is equals to 3. So now to find our fifth will be equals to 4. I multiply by 3 raised now this case to 4, which is equals to 4 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is 27 times 3 times 4. This will give us 324. This is now the fifth term. Now let's now have a look at the nth term. Nth term is unknown. So we say what? A raised to r n minus 1. And because we don't know our Rn, that's why we refer as the nth term. Our A is, we already have it as 4. Our R, we already have it as 3. So we replace here. Replacing here, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 3 raised to n minus 1. And remember, there's no any way we can simplify this further. Why? Because we're having an n raised here. So we can't take 4 multiplied by 3, that would be wrong. So we just leave our answer like that. So if you just have a recap on what you have done, you can see the fourth term here, which equals to 108, the fifth term 324, and the nth term is 4 multiplied by 3 raised to n minus 1. Thank you for watching.